Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about yesterday's call, full bias and everything. So let's just start with higher time frame bias. Oops. Okay, EURUSD as always, daily time frame. What we can see here. Okay, we created market structure shift, bearish market structure shift, and on the DXY we created bullish market structure shift. So we are bouncing from the order block and fair value gap. Like I said in a Discord, I think it's in 4-hour daily, weekly, monthly buys on Discord. We got nice reaction with really long wick. That's because of news, and here was breaker block also. So on my next daily candle, I'm expecting that next daily candle will be bearish. This is a key fair value gap, and this is key low. Here's the level, and this is the key fair value gap where we want to focus. Okay, now this zone right here, if we go on a weekly time frame, we can see that that's volume imbalance zone, and we can see that on weekly time frame we do not get volume imbalances actually that much, and we got one here, beautiful. Okay, and what we can see, price pushed, price touched, push lower, touched, push lower, touched, push lower, touched, and now it's time to push lower. Okay, so it's happening what I actually said. I said it's gonna be accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. We got accumulation, we got manipulation, and slowly getting distribution part. Okay, so this fair value gap is really important. This IPDA TB is time-based liquidity from IPDA look back period 20, 40, 60. That's why I set as TB as time-based liquidity sweep. We have like relative equal lows here where price might push from. We have monthly bullish breaker, so if this happens, we're gonna probably bounce off of this volume imbalance and go up, but I think we're gonna strongly go down, also sweeping this liquidity. Now let's go on a lower time frame, for example 15 minutes. So we're creating market maker sell model, right? Boom. Original consolidation is right here, this low right here, and so what can happen is market maker model but push to the upside and something like that. So this fair value gap is really good to take some profits. So I'm expecting bearish Enigma setups, right? And for Monday overall, let me go on actually right here. For Monday I'm expecting this. Okay, we have data low, we have Tuesday low, nice lows that are my drawn on liquidity. And by the way, here are the important levels right here, this one here, and this one right here. You can screenshot that or something. This is where price is probably gonna bounce from this level right here or from this level right here. So bearish power of 3, bearish Enigma setups, and yeah, basically DXY bullish, EURUSD bearish. This is looking so beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I predicted exact every single move, pullback, and new trade. Okay, so it's by actually analyzing data. First, Asia low sweep, equal lows sweep, another equal lows sweep, above equal highs, which is my drawn liquidity. Price inverse fair value gap, bam, I just knew that price is gonna push higher. We swept a bunch of equal lows, sessions lows, um, tapping the rejection block, equal highs above, data high above. That would be like beautiful. And then easy news predict. I knew how NFP moves, so I didn't close when it was this part right here, and I easily closed profit about here or here. We created data high, swept data low. Actually, I'm gonna remove this. Bounced off of 4 CBDR level, which is rejection block area. Now, let's see how I predicted this right here. It was so perfect. So if we take a look at this and this, in this day, and we're gonna call that day 1, and we're gonna call that this day 3, because this is day 2. In day 1, we swept Asia high, okay, and there was rejection block, and creating really big range and sweeping Asia low. Here, rejection block, sweeping Asia high, ranging to the downside, okay, rejection block below and equal lows below, rejection block below and equal lows below. Let me just okay, so I realized it's same, and the days are actually repeating sometimes, so they're totally the same, like they're actually repeating, and you can take that as confirmation, so you know how the price will move. I just did this. One candle pullback, fake market structure shift. One candle pullback, fake market structure shift. Real market structure shift. I was entering on IFEG. And if I move this right here, we can see basically the same thing, right? So I knew how price will move here. And also entry off of IFEG or right after candle close, and sweeping 6 AM low, of course. 9 AM low was this data low, so you could take some profit, some quick scalp, also news. So yeah, this is basically how I predicted news and every single pullback. Yeah, a lot of people do not know actually about this, but yeah, some days are actually repeating beautifully the same, like here. News, also news, bullish. So yeah, really interesting. My TP was in the middle of these two zones right here, which was basically this area of CBDR. And by the way, CBDR time is from 14 to 20, and I only do the wicks, I mean the bodies, like ICT said. He was talking about spreads or something like that. So yeah, overall, bounce from here, or bounce from here to this data low, I would say. And really important thing, Monday will probably create high of the week. Okay, this is really important. Monday will probably create high of the week. That means, for example, let's say we got market structure shift about here. Our stop was, let's say, 5 pips like usual, and then TP Tuesday low. Okay, so we can clearly hold this trade to all the way to Tuesday low. We don't have to like close full position on these equal lows, because Monday will probably create high of the week. So we can hold all the way a few days because it will not hit this low, this high. So yeah, and these areas will probably create high of the day, high of the week. So this is really important. So yeah, that would be basically it. I think I also did something more in the call, but yeah, this is like most important things. So yeah, this would be it.